Hi guys, welcome back to Subhash English channel. Studio topics: how to improve yourself. So my dear guys, if you want to improve yourself, so you need to just work yourself. If you work yourself, if you work your communication skill, if you work your and mindset skill, then you can improve yourself. If you want to improve yourself, you need to just keep learning. You need to just work on yourself. You need to just work on your mind, thought, emotion. When will you work on all of body, then you can improve yourself. First of all, if you want to improve yourself, so you need to gain knowledge. If you learn daily, then you can improve yourself. But if you don't learn daily, then you cannot improve yourself. First of all, every person wants to improve yourself. So they only need to learning. If you take everyday learning, then you can develop yourself. You can improve yourself. If you want to achieve your goal, if you want to achieve your target, so you need to just work on yourself. You need to just work on your mindset. If you think about your goal, if you think about your future, if you think about your target, then you can achieve success. If you want to improve, if you improve yourself, then you can achieve your goal. But if you don't work yourself, then you cannot achieve success. First of all, every person wants to achieve goal. So if you want to achieve your target, so you need to work yourself. When will you improve yourself, then you can achieve success. But if you don't improve yourself, so you can't achieve success. First of all, you need to work yourself. You need to work on your mindset. If you increase knowledge daily, then you can improve yourself. But if you don't gain knowledge every day, then you cannot and improve yourself. You need to just work on your personality. If you work yourself, then you can achieve success. But if you don't work yourself, so you cannot achieve success. Thanks for watching my video, guys.